In this video, I will show you how to streamline your team communication by using Claude to draft professional responses directly within Slack. If you find yourself overwhelmed by a constant stream of questions from your colleagues, this integration is a complete game changer for your productivity. To get started, you simply need to open your Claude chat interface and look for the plus icon located inside the chat bar. Once you click that, you will see a variety of integration options, and your first step is to toggle the Slack switch to the on position. This allows the artificial intelligence to bridge the gap between your conversations and your drafting process. After you have enabled the feature, it is time to provide the right context. You should copy the specific question or the link to the conversation from Slack and paste it into the message box. Along with that link, you want to give Claude a clear set of instructions. A great prompt to use involves asking it to draft a concise response about your specific topic while maintaining a tone that is both professional and friendly. You should also specify that it should use structural elements for clarity and always include a clear next step for the recipient. By giving these details, you ensure the output is ready to be sent without requiring heavy editing on your part. Once you are satisfied with the prompt, just hit send and watch as the engine generates a perfectly balanced reply that addresses your team's needs. This method saves you significant mental energy and ensures that your communication remains consistent and helpful throughout the workday. You can now copy that text, head back over to your Slack channel, and provide your team with the answers they need in record time.